there as a package.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where we're all about pieces, style, and the inspiration that brings it all together. I'm Joshayajarre, and this is your Tiffany's Blue Book Botanica Holiday Special. What is the perfect wardrobe without the perfect accessories? Jewelry in particular can take simplicity to elegance and glam just like that. And when talking style, can we do one without the other? Those exact thoughts have brought Tiffany's to LVMH, one of the most influential sought-out fashion houses of today. From style to spirits, they have crafted and mastered a lifestyle of luxury, and now using diamonds and threads the right way. Just recently, right here in Vegas, the Blue Book Botanica collection was revealed, and I had the pleasure of viewing the most beautiful pieces and stones from around the world. I mean, an amazing collection. And of course, I had to share with you as much as I could. So brace yourself, because we are talking immaculate craftsmanship and bringing the finest jewels to life. But first, it wouldn't be holiday vibes without holiday unboxing. Let's see what we have up under the tree. Now, let's get into what we all came for, a little bit of sparkle and shine. Let's head over to the jewelry garden.
This is amazing. This is the cut he's been looking for.
Ah, we're looking into round.
Yeah, he loves round. I'm a princess cut. He loves.
Well, rounds are the ones that will give you the most light return, right? They're the ones that sparkle and dazzle the most.
That's what he says. Yeah, that's what he
Princess
says.
are gorgeous as well when done right.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a whole world in the middle too, where we kind of combine those two looks together as well. We have our own cuts with interiors.
Oh, okay,
So
yes.
we're gonna play with some fun things.
Okay, yes. And what's this one here?
Isn't it a great? This is a titanium and platinum brooch.
Okay.
Which can also be placed onto a pendant as well. Mm-hmm. So these are going to be some beautiful petals with some really satin finished titanium leaf bases here. Very organic. You'll see that throughout all of our pieces. Nature is a really strong core inspiration for us. It has been since we started in 1837. Like it's just really, it was Mr. Tiffany's biggest inspiration, as well as Schlumberger, that you will meet some of his pieces in the other rooms.
Wow.
And then most famous piece, I think the most identifiable design from Tiffany cabinet is this.
Oh, that's
Here you have it in
beautiful.
a spectacular emerald cut diamond.
Okay.
And we've done it in quite a few different gemstones. Most notably is going to be the Tiffany diamond, which is a 128 karat yellow diamond. Now he's quick, he's not even playing.
Okay.
This is almost like War of the Worlds. If you don't grab the keys, somebody's going to, like, you already see empty spaces now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been a
Oh,
it's been
look
a
at
witness
this
to
one.
how fast these things are moving.
Ooh, look at
Because they're
this one.
always
This one's
moving more of
nice.
a time.
And that's a Tiffany setting. So our Tiffany setting, super iconic, classic 6 prongs, sits higher than most designs to really allow the light to come right in.
Yeah.
So not only is the round cut to perfection, it's triple excellent, it's also set in a way that really absorbs the light and allows it to come right back out and dazzle in your eyes.
Wow.
Joshay'a, that's the necklace that Lady Gaga wore.
This one here?
That one right there. What? The red carpet for the Oscars last
For the
year.
Oscars.
Mm-hmm.
It went from the Oscars straight
Insane.
to our store, and they still had her makeup on it.
Oh my
We had the honors of
god.
cleaning that.
Oh yes. We definitely
I
have
always
to
forget
try
that
this
little
one.
thing until you mentioned it. It's so true.
I love hearing the art behind it and the story and the history.
There's
It's
so much
insane.
history here.
Yeah.
It's really, we're very privileged, very honored to be part of a jewelry house with such strong foundations.
Yes.
And to honestly be one of the first luxury jewelry homes in the United States.
Yeah.
America. We were America's representative for luxury goods for a very long time. Before jewelry, we imported and exported luxury goods to bring it
Just
to
there,
the
it's
Like that. But, you know, a history will change a piece.
It will.
Right?
It will when you know the ideas, the origin.
Yeah.
Beautiful team upstairs as well, as part of our design team, and you get to see kind of how the pieces begin. You know, you get to see the renderings, all the beautiful watercolors of the pieces before even the gemstones have been applied.
Yes.
And sometimes the pieces will take years to put together because it takes that long to find the perfect gemstone that goes with the inspiration.
Amazing.
Some of these pieces have taken quite a long time.
Like something like this. Exactly. This is amazing. So what's this piece called?
So this one here is going to be a lovely orchid brooch.
Okay.
You have the pink sapphires, all these beautiful round, brilliant, like pristine, round, brilliant, round diamonds.
Yes.
And you can see the light coming through. If
Yes.
you were to place it against the sun, you'd see all the little rainbows.
Yes,
Each
yes,
little diamond
yes,
comes
yes.
through. It's really, really lovely. This is actually one of the highlights of the show. This is
Oh,
our
wow.
the wisteria inspiration.
Yeah.
So many years ago, we also were known for our Tiffany lamps. One of the most famous lamps that we've reacquired recently is the wisteria lamp. And
Okay.
it was designed by Mr. Tiffany's son.
Oh, wow.
And that particular piece has a lot of translucent greens and blues, and it fades into these beautiful purples, and then down to some grays and back into white. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece.
Oh, wow.
So this particular piece here, you're going to see it's the wisteria pieces, and then here with the magnolia design as well. It's all that ode to nature. This is milky quartz, all hand carved. Every single piece here has been touched by an expert craftsman.
Oh, wow.
And a gorgeous morganite in the center.
Amazing. Amazing.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Amazing.
Here, some pieces are have either found their home.
You're already,
or
right?
process,
Yes.
But that's how this particular event goes.
Okay.
This is a gorgeous bracelet too. It's actually not necessarily tied into the series, but you can see how our collections live so beautifully together.
Yes.
Because we have a very identifiable aesthetic.
Yes. Yeah.
Tiffany piece is a Tiffany piece.
Exactly.
You can't confuse it with anything else.
You can't.
You can't.
I love it. I have to actually start.
These are going to be cabochon emeralds, and it all mimics nature. I'm not going to say the name properly because I know the Did I say that correctly? Yeah. But it's a beautiful piece.
Okay. One of the things that I love about Schlumberger is he doesn't sacrifice artistry or craftsmanship, no matter what angle you look at his pieces. And I was asking for a glove because I was like, do something I'm not supposed to. Because I just want to show you.
Oh yes, most definitely.
The back of the necklace.
Yes.
I mean, look at the craftsmanship there. Look at the movement of the pieces.
It's crazy. Could you imagine how long it takes to put this together?
Yes.
And how many hours?
I can.
Right? You're like, I can. That is like, I'm lost for words.
You know what I like? See how it's mounted? Usually everything is mounted from the back, right? So
Yes.
it's mounted from the front,
Uh-huh.
which you really can't tell. What's
So
different.
what Schlumberger liked to apply to his pieces was that they would be, the way you see them here is how you would see them in nature. And nothing in nature is ever perfectly symmetrical.
Exactly.
Right? It's going to be asymmetrical, it's going to flow, it's going to be in different shapes and colors, and he applied that directly onto his jewelry, which you can see.
Yes.
This one he uses the Tiffany colors.
Yeah, no, turquoise, and there's a beautiful tourmaline as well, which is Mother Nature's gift to Tiffany & Company, truly, because it is the identifiable color for Tiffany & Company. We're going to see some in the other space as well.
The yellow.
This piece
Oh,
here, there's actually a couple of variations with like yellow sapphires and pink sapphires.
I
It kind
love
of just like
this.
rains down.
this is amazing.
But
I
he
love
designed
this.
truly for the socialites of New York City, and those ladies were always trying to one up one another.
Yes,
So
right?
there was a lot of competition.
I think that necklace would look stunning over there.
I love this necklace.
Yeah.
This necklace is
Absolutely.
amazing. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. We're definitely going to try that one. Ooh, this is pretty. Look how pretty this is. She's pretty. I love this piece.
Her absolute favorites.
I love her.
She's so pretty. I think you should try her too.
Yeah, I like how long she is. It's not your typical like necklace, right?
No, it is not.
That is that classic Tiffany color.
That is beautiful.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Look at that.
A lot of conversation, please. That's it.
That's beautiful, huh, Dad? Are these the same color?
There's movement. Like
Everything else is so like this.
We love that brand. I've been commenting on it every day. It's really fun, really stunning, different.
I'm actually really surprised. It's so honest. It's before we even knew what was coming and how we had to put everything together.
So this yeah.
Let's take this with us before somebody else sees it.
Which one?
That's why I love them. That is nice.
Okay, let's get into today's look. It's all about simple luxury. Jumpsuit by Naked Wardrobe, over-the-shoulder jacket by H&M, and Tom Ford heels. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Blue Book Botanica collection as much as I did. Thank you to Tiffany's, Rafi, and the whole team from the Miami store. You guys are amazing. Thank you to everyone for showing up today. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so we can make more videos. And I will see you guys in the next